Master of Arts Public Administration, Loka Prasasana. Hi everyone, welcome to the Study Companion. Study with me, your study companion. ମୋ ସହିତ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ ସାଥୀ ମୁଁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଆମେ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରିବା about Public Administration second semester Unit 1. Tolio and Woodrow Wilson. Structure. କ'ଣ ସବୁ structure ରହିଛି? Learning outcomes, introduction, outlining Kautilya's ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର, Kautilya's administrative thought, establishment of welfare state, the Saptanga doctrines of state, Mandala and Sadgunya doctrines, efficient administrative system and organized personnel administration, criminal justice administration, Kautilya's critical appraisal, Woodrow Wilson's life and work, Woodrow Wilson's administrative thought, science of administration, evolution of the study of administration, dichotomy between politics and administration, public opinion and administration, comparative methods, Woodrow Wilson's critical appraisal, activities, references and further readings. One by one we will learn right now. Learning outcomes. After reading this unit, you will be able to knowledge and understanding of the major enunciations made by Kautilya and Thomas Woodrow Wilson to the realm of public administration. Develop an appreciation of Kautilya and Woodrow Wilson's contribution to administrative thought. ଲୋକ ପ୍ରଶାସନ ପାଇଁ କୌଟିଲ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ଉଡ୍ରୋ ୱିଲସନଙ୍କ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଭାବନା ଶକ୍ତିର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବୟାନ ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା। କୌଟିଲ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ଉଡ୍ରୋ ୱିଲସନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରାର ବିକାଶ ପ୍ରଶଂସାର ଅବଦାନ ଜାଣିବା। Introduction. When we talk about the roots of the discipline of public administration, there are two names which immediately cross our minds, though in different contexts, Kautilya and Woodrow Wilson. The evolution of Indian administration in an organized and principled manner is uncontestably credited to Kautilya, whereas tracing the evolution of public administration as a discipline in the modern era take us to the contribution of Kautilya, contribution of Woodrow Wilson. This unit will open up on the administrative thought for training to both these legendary administrative thinkers and practices in their own prospective eras. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଲୋକ ପ୍ରଶାସନର ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳାର ମୂଳ କଥା ଆଲୋଚନାକୁ ନେଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ଟୁ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ ଥିଙ୍କର୍ସ ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରୀ ସ୍କଲାର୍ସ ବିଦ୍ୱାନଙ୍କର ନାମ ମନରେ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି କ୍ରସ୍ ଆୱାର ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଆସିଯାଏ। ସେହି ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କର ନାମ ହେଉଛି କୌଟିଲ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ଉଡ୍ରୋ ୱିଲସନ। ଦ ଇଭାଲୁସନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ, ଭାରତୀୟ ପ୍ରଶାସନର ଇଭାଲୁସନ କରିଥିଲେ। ସଂଗଠନ କରିବା, ନୀତି ତିଆରି କରିବା, ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନର ଇନ୍ ଅନକନଷ୍ଟେବୁଲି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ କ୍ରେଡିଟ ଦେଇଥାଉ କୌଟିଲ୍ୟ, ହ୍ୱେଦରାଜ କିନ୍ତୁ ପରନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରେସିଂ ଅନୁରେଖନ, ଦ ଇଭାଲୁସନ ମୂଲ୍ୟାଙ୍କନ କରିବା, ଦ ପବ୍ଲିକ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଲୋକ ପ୍ରଶାସନର ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳା ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଯୁଗ ପାଇଁ ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏରାର ଅବଦାନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଉଡ୍ରୋ ୱିଲସନ। ସେହି ଅବଦାନକୁ ଆମେ ଏହିଠାରେ ପଢ଼ିବା। ଦିସ୍ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଓପେନ୍ ଅପ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ ଥଟ୍, ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ଚିନ୍ତା, ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ତାଲିମ, ବୋଥ दिच लेजेंडरी ଏହି କିମ୍ବଦନ୍ତୀ ଏହି ଲେଜେଣ୍ଡାରୀ କିମ୍ବଦନ୍ତୀ ପ୍ରଶାସନିକ ଥିଙ୍କର୍ସଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କିପରି ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଦେୟାର ଅନ୍ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭ ଏରା ନିଜସ୍ୱ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ନିଜର ଏରା ସମୟର କିପରି ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଥିଲା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ। ରୂପରେଖ ଆଉଟଲାଇନିଂ କୌଟଲ୍ୟ ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର କୌଟଲ୍ୟଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ରୂପରେଖ କଣ? ରୂପରେଖ ନାହିଁ ଏ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ସ୍କଲାର Kautilya as documented was born in 325 before Christ era BC, possibly in the Magadha Mahajanapada of ancient India, and is most vividly remembered for his mega treatise Arthashastra, which is the famous elaborate manifestation of the different dimensions of a kingdom's polity and its related affairs। ସବୁଠୁ ଅତି ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଭାରତୀୟ ପଣ୍ଡିତ୍ୟ କୌଟଲ୍ୟ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟେଡ କରିଥିଲେ ବିବିଧ ପ୍ରକାର ଭେରିଡଲି ୱାଜ ବର୍ନ ଇନ୍ ସେ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲେ 325 ବିଫୋର କ୍ରାଇଷ୍ଟ ଏରା ପସିବଲି ଇନ୍ ମଗଧ ମହାଜନପଦ ଅଫ୍ ଆନ୍ସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ପ୍ରାଚୀନ ଭାରତର ମଷ୍ଟ ଭିଭିଡଲି ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ରିମେମ୍ବର୍ଡ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନେ କରାଯାଏ ଫର ହିଜ୍ ମେଘା ଟ୍ରେଟିଜ୍ ସବୁଠାରୁ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ପୁସ୍ତକ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ଯୋଉଟା କି ଫେମସ୍ ଏଲାବରେଟ୍ ହୁଇଚ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫେମସ୍ ଏଲାବରେଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାନିଫେଷ୍ଟେସନ୍ କଣ ମ୍ୟାନିଫେଷ୍ଟେସନ୍ ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଡିମେନସନ୍ସ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ବୁକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏ କିଙ୍ଗଡମ୍ସ ପଲିଟି ରାଜନୀତି and its related affairs dimensions of kingdoms polity related its related affairs ଏହି kingdoms polity related ରେ as such known by two other names Vishnugupta and Chanakya, the great scholar of scriptures and weaponry is more famously referred to as କୌଟଲ୍ୟ। ଆମେ କୌଟଲ୍ୟଙ୍କୁ ବିଷ୍ଣୁଗୁପ୍ତ and ଚାଣକ୍ୟ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣୁ ଯୋଉଟା କି ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ସ୍କଲାର୍ସ ବଡ଼ ବିଦ୍ୱାନ ସ୍କ୍ରିପ୍ଚର୍ସ ଧାର୍ମିକ ୱେପନାରୀ ହତିଆର ତାଙ୍କ ହାତ ପାଶରେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ହତିଆର ଥିଲା ଯିଏକି ସୂଚାଇଥିଲେ ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି କୌଟଲ୍ୟ। It was due to his vision and guidance and the efforts of his disciple Chandragupta Maurya that the Maurya kingdom was established and flourished as an epitome of good governance. It was due to his vision ଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଶକ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ and ଚେଷ୍ଟା efforts discipline ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳିତ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଗୁପ୍ତ ମୌର୍ୟ ପିରିୟଡରେ ମୌର୍ୟ କିଙ୍ଗଡମ ୱାଜ ଇଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ କରିଥିଲେ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ କିଙ୍ଗଡମ ଇଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ କରିଥିଲେ ଫ୍ଲୋରିଶ ସଫଳ ହେଲା ଆଜାନ ଟମ୍ ସାରାଂଶ ଅଫ ଗୁଡ ଗଭର୍ନେନ୍ସ ନାମରେ। କୌଟଲ୍ୟ ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର divided into 15 books ଏଟା ବୁକ୍ସ goes on to describe political science ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା political science ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସ ଫିଲୋସଫି ନୀତିଶାସ୍ତ୍ର sociology education military science chemistry engineering geology administration and many more other aspects of the then times at that time. It elaborates in much detail on all the important aspects of statecraft. ଏହା ଏଲାବରେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲା ବ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟା କରିଥିଲା much detail all the important aspects ସବୁ ଅତ୍ୟାବଶ୍ୟକୀୟ statecrafts. It is considered To be both an analytical and perspective documented, revealing both the aims and objectives of the state, as well as the practical means by which they can be achieved. What I am studying. The treatise mainly discuss three aspects of the science of public administration, namely the principle of public administration, the government machinery related to monarch, Rajatantra, and personal management, personal, परिचालना, both higher and lower level functionaries, higher and lower level କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକଳାପ ବିଷୟରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରିବା. However, the principles have only been implemented in different parts and not been explicitly dealt with. Implied, सुचाइबा, different parts, not been explicitly सुस्पष्ट dealt. Out of all the books in which Arthashastra is divided, the books relevant to the study of public administration are only four, namely the first, the second, the fifth, and the sixth. Out of all the books ସେଇ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର ଡିଭାଇଡ କରୁଥିଲା ବୁକ୍ସ ରେଲିଭାଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରାସଙ୍ଗିକ study of public administration ଲୋକ ପ୍ରଶାସନ only for name ଯୋଉଗୁଡା କି first and the second, fifth and the sixth. The principle of public administration implied ସୂଚାଇ ଥିଲା ଅର୍ଥଶାସ୍ତ୍ର do not command as much attention as does the government machinery for two major reasons. One, they are indirectly stated, and two, the principles governing the democratic public administration are way different from the principles underlying a monarchical public administrative system as portrayed in Arthashastra. Does the government machinery କ'ଣ government machinery two major reasons ସବୁ indirectly stated. Two, the principles governing the democratic public administration are way different from principles underlying monarchical public administrative system. Kautilya does not deal with the science of public administration, which is of rather recent origin, and instead talk about the science of polity, which according to him is the combination of the science of wealth and the science of government, thus submitting the science of public administration under the science of government. Kautilya does not deal କରିନଥିଲେ କୌଟଲ୍ୟ with scientific of public administration ଯୋଉଟା କି rather recent origin, instead ବଦଳରେ talk about science of politics of government, thus ଏହିପରି submitting the science of public administration ଲୋକ ପ୍ରଶାସନ under science of government.